Hello everyone. Hi semua. Hi everyone. Hello. So kepada subscribers lama, welcome back, and hello untuk orang yang baru tengok. Hello also. Okay, so cerita hari ni kita nak buat apa? Hari ni kita nak buat Dubai Jodok Cookie, which is Dubai Chewy Cookies. Kenapa? Sebab ramai permintaan dari kawan saya. Semua minta sebab saya buat. Jadi saya ni tak ada tripod, so you have to bear with me, okay? Whatever I do in this video, okay? So bahan-bahannya sangat mudah, okay? Untuk adik-adik kecil nak buat juga boleh cuba sebab bahan-bahan dia ini saja. Kita perlukan roasted ketaifi. Roasted ketaifi sebenarnya saya beli kat Turki. Yang bawah ni saya beli kat Turki, dia roasted yang coklat, tapi yang kat Malaysia punya dia macam tak roasted sangat tau. Lepas tu kita perlukan this one, pistachio paste. Okay, penting, pistachio paste. And then of course this one, marshmallow, penting, and cocoa powder. Okay, semua ni okay, ada 4 bahan je. Percaya atau tidak? 4 bahan je. Nanti kita perlukan butter. Okay, ingat butter. First katanya kita perlukan 4 cups of ketaifi. Hafa ni dah roasted, tapi saya tak sure, so saya masukkan sedikit butter dulu untuk masak dia balik, untuk garingkan dia lah. Patutnya kita masukkan dalam oven, tapi kita nak cepat, so kita masak je lah. This is 1 cup, 2 cups, the 3rd cup. Okay, so tadi saya masukkan baru 3 cups, tapi dah macam full, so saya asingkan 1 cup, so this is like 2 cups. And then now we're gonna pour in the pistachio paste. Kita tengok cukup ke tak, baru kita tambah the ketaifi, okay? Yes. Okay, so now it is all mixed, and make sure that it will stick together, and I will tell you why. And now it is a little bit late time. We're gonna roll the kunafa mix into a bowl, okay? Like this, yes. Okay, so this is why you have to make sure that it is not dry. Like you cannot add the kunafa a little bit too much, because you have to shape it into a bowl. Okay, tada! Tengok, banyak tak? Sebab ramai permintaan kan, so I have to do many. Okay, so now we have to put it in the freezer up. So now we have to put it in the freezer. Oopsies, whatever. So, but in the meantime, we have to go back to the kitchen, into the kitchen. So this is the amount of butter that I add, and this is how the marshmallow would melt. Okay, tengok, they're like this. See, I love how the marshmallow would like mold together macam ni, like so merapatkan upah. Okay, so you turn off the heat, and the heat from the pan can like melt the butter, melt the marshmallow itself. So you just have to press it and like flip it until it like literally melts, and then you add cocoa powder. Like I don't know the right what do you call it, right amount to add. I just add how much I want. Mostly you have to grease this pan, but we don't have grease at home, so just use olive oil. I'm gonna transfer it here, the marshmallow here. Like it's like sticky. Also like add some oil to my hand, both of my hands. Okay, and then we can take out the kunafa that we rolled just now. Take like just a few minutes for it to frozen like this. So bismillah, I put some oil on my hand, and we're gonna pull some of this. Okay, another way to do is put it here on your glazed pan, and then flatten it up. Okay, and then I'll take this, put it here. Oh my god, you can't see it. Put this one, and then you're gonna like pull the marshmallow. Can you see it? Okay. So now it's all covered. Like it's not completely covered, So you have to like roll it up. Yes. Tada! Jadi weh. Alhamdulillah, finally jadi. But don't look at my hand. Okay, moment of truth. Tada. Oh, macam mana nak? Okay, dah siap. Okay, ni sebab dia ada oily. So dia punya koko tu colour macam ni lah, tapi adalah rupa kan guys. So we're gonna leave it in the freezer. Chiller. Apa je lah, maksud refrigerator overnight sebab tak ada orang nak makan malam ni. So we're gonna taste reveal tomorrow. Besar. No. Makanlah dulu. Sedap guys. Macam kalau tak sedap pun tak boleh nak cakap apa. Sedap. Okay.
Tak sia-sia sebab kau buat man.
Ya ke?
Man, kalau aku buat mana tak tadi man.
Okay, thanks review. Kau kena makan one bite.
Benda ni memang cara dia kita makan semua.
Kau kena sumbat semua.
Kalau tak nanti dia macam, faham tak? Kalau kau gigit separuh,
Nanti dia melekit-lekit.
kau kena makan semua.
Boleh nak go.
Kita semua boleh tadi. Aku tu sampai nak tersedak-sedak ni.
Kita orang semua boleh. Chicken piano. Wait. What you feel? How? Describe. Out of 10. Oh, kita tak bagi out of 10. What is that?
8. Bukan.
Kita tak bagi.
Nak ke? Apa? Berapa?
8.5.
Oh, okay.
9.2.
Wih, tinggi gila. Tinggi gila, susah. Ha?
So aku akan 2.
Oh.
Aku akan 2 dengan sedap.
Tapi sedap, saya bagi 10 lah.
Wui, wah.
Serius
Serius.
sedap.
Saya dia.
Okey ke? Sedap tak? Serius?
Benar. Untuk first time.
How do you feel lah first time makan? How do you feel?
Okay je.
Okay je. Out of 10? Out of 10? 7. Oh, tahniah. Sedap. Okay, sedap. Humongous. The humongous. Yelah. This one ini our chef. Our siapa? Oh, okay, sila. Okay. How do you feel? Rasa apa, sedap tak?
Manis je.
Manis sedap. Okay tak?
Boleh lah.
Boleh lah. Oh my god. Out of 10?
5 lah.
5. Hey. Kecil hati orang yang mendengar tu. Orang buat tu kecil hati. Kecil hati dia sendiri. Guys.
Dia macam ada yang tak cukup rasa.
Oh. Dia punya crumbs tu. Okay. Faham?
Ya, Ana dah sombong. Dia tak ni kecap.
Ya Allah, Masya Allah. Okay, so ini kita punya pemandangan ni sangat seronok lah. Makan petang-petang, hujan, memang seronok.
Okay, kita nak buat delivery
Dubai Chewy Cookie.
Yeah.
Dekat our Princess D sebab dia sakit kaki. Kita bagi dia princess treatment hari ni.
Yes.
Kali ni je lah sebab kalau dah tak sakit kita suruh dia datang.
Tapi memang kali ni je lah sebab lepas ni dah tak ada.
Oh ya. Dia penat, dia tak nak buat dah.
Tersembuh tak?
Bukan tersembuh.
Okay, one bite.
Orang buat challenge.
Dia tak kisah pun. Uyo.
Out of 10? 10.
Telan dulu. Ui, serius lah. Serius lah weh.
Sedap, memang sedap kan? I told you, Iman. You don't believe me. You don't believe me.